Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? Another evening. Everything's kind of green still, but we're having a little bit of resistance here. Now, why are we having this resistance? We're going to talk about it, guys. We're going to get into it. Right now, what do we got? JASMY up 2.3% on the day, down 6.3% on the week, down 37.9% on the month, but up 336% on the year. We're down one spot in rank at 76. We've got a $1.14 billion market cap and 291 million in volume. XCN up 11.1% on the day, down 2.8% on the week, up 1,050% on the month, and up 2,242% on the year. We're up two spots in rank to 78. 980 milli on the market cap and 422 mil on the volume. Going over to Swift, up 6.9% on the day, 49.6 on the week, 364 on the month, and 1,478 on the year. We're down 7 spots in rank to 174, 322 milli on the market cap, and 118 mil on the volume. So everything's still pretty green, guys, but like I said, there's some resistance happening here. And why is it happening? Well, let's go look at the charts. Bitcoin is back down to $99,000. We're going to look at the Bitcoin chart in a minute. But if you look at the altcoins, they're getting pulled back down, some of them by Bitcoin and Ethereum. What the heck is going on? Well, it's not as bad as yesterday. I mean, look how far we crashed yesterday, down to 1 cent 857, right? Wicked all the way back up, ended the candle green. So, in saying this, guys, we might be, meeting some resistance tonight, but some of these candles might be green on the daily so far. But by the time, what matters is where these candles close. I always say that, right? So this candle could be green and up here testing the 30-day SMA in 12 hours, tomorrow around noontime, right? Could totally be the case. So just like I said with this one yesterday, and look, we were way down here and we ended this candle. We ended up being green and closing above the 200-day SMA. So we'll see where the candle closes. So, we're still inside of our bullish structure. Nothing has changed, guys. Nothing has changed. Looking over at XCN, what do we have here? Still inside of our bullish structure. We continue to ping pong. We've literally over the last two candles touched the top of this bull pennant and then right back down and we've touched the bottom. And we're just kind of ping ponging inside here again. We could come all, look how far we came yesterday. We ended up green on this candle, guys. Again, exact same thing, but this is bullish because we're actually still inside of our bull pennant here on XCN. So XCN seems eager to make its next move. Going over to Swift, what is Swift doing? So Swift has collapsed outside of the bull pennant, but again, look how far we came down yesterday, and we ended coming all the way back up and closing the candle inside the bull pennant. So we could very well see, and most likely will see, the exact same thing on this candle. Probably tomorrow morning when I'm doing the morning video, we'll probably be back up inside of this bull pennant here. And it's possible we won't be, but we probably will be, right? I wouldn't be surprised. So everything still seems to be on track. We seem to be building a solid level of support here for Swift right at 3 cents 578, right? We've used it. We've stayed above it here. We came right to it and closed here. We use it as support here. And we were using it as support earlier, but we've fallen below. I wouldn't be surprised if we were right back up above it again before the end of this candle close. All right, going over to Bitcoin. The big kubasa. What is going on with Bitcoin? Well, guys, we know that earlier today, because we saw the markets turn around. I mean, look what Bitcoin did, guys. It was all the way down at $91,000 24 hours ago and ended up closing the candle up here at $101,000. Bitcoin climbed back up $10,000 in one night, okay? One afternoon, I should say, sorry. So in saying that, while we have a red candle right now, we're down at 98,700. Once again, what matters is where we close these candles, not where they are now, not where they wick to. Okay. So in saying that, guys, we know that earlier today we got the pump action because Mexico and Canada came to the bargaining table with Trump, and tariffs got put on hold. And we knew that that was going to come. We knew that that was just kind of like a negotiation tactic anyway, right? We talked about it yesterday. We talked about how there was not a long-term thing, that the country, it was not sustainable for any of the countries involved, not even the U.S. So we knew it wasn't going to happen, and it didn't happen. They came to the negotiating table, and everything got resolved. Like, they got paused. They're negotiating. Canada made, agreed to their whole border thing, security, and Mexico agreed, and so we're all good. We're all good with that. So what happened? China is what happened, right? China decided to say, well, we're going to implement 10% tariffs against the states on oil and stuff like that. I think oil, something like that, right? A couple things though. One thing is that the U.S. doesn't import a lot of oil from China to begin with. First of all, second of all, it's going to end the same way. Okay, it's going to end the same way. Neither one of these leaders wants tariffs on their country. Trump doesn't. Neither does China. Right. So in saying that, it's not going to last long either. I wouldn't be shocked if tomorrow, once again, some sort of resolution is on the table. Right. This is all just to bring negotiations to the table. That's all it is. China wants Trump to start weakening the dollar. That'll be part of the negotiation. So as soon as this all comes to a close, guys, I think that what this is going to lead to ultimately, which is going to blow your mind, is quantitative easing. We're going to start to see money printing as an end result of everything we're seeing here. Trump's going to agree to weaken the U.S. dollar because it helps everybody. And then they're going to turn the money printer on because Trump wants to weaken the dollar anyway, right? So this is all, we're just walking on a path here, and we know exactly where we're going. We know where we're going. So why are people panicking? Because they're stupid, right at the end of the day. Because they're stupid. That's the simple answer, okay? I told you guys everything was fine yesterday, and things aren't even close to as doom and gloom as they were yesterday. Not even 1% as doom and gloom, but I'm telling you again, everything's fine. I did some dollar cost averaging probably 4 times today. I did a little bit more this evening, continuing to take advantage of these prices. Hopefully you guys are too. And everything's going to be fine. I'm not worried at all. All right, let's get into some of the news. What's going on with our favorite projects? What do we have here? JASMY listed on LCX, guys. Built on Ethereum, traded on LCX. We're adding 10 new ERC20 tokens this week. Track, ENS, ACH, and JASMY right there. So new spot listing for JASMY on LCX. What else do we have for JASMY here? Check it out. So Anand says JASMY just keeping an eye on the 5th largest wallet, still accumulating. I will keep an eye for my followers. So basically, guys, the 5th largest wallet, as you guys know, I showed you guys about 2 weeks ago. Between the 8th of January and about the 22nd of January, the 5th largest JASMY wallet accumulated another billion JASMY tokens and moved them off of exchange. Yes, you heard me right. Billion, right? So why would the 5th largest JASMY wallet be accumulating over 1 billion tokens in a very short amount of time? Because they know exactly what I'm telling you I know. We're about to see a massive leg up on JASMY here, guys. And if you sleep on it, you're going to be sitting in the chat of one of my live streams saying, I wish I bought more JASMY, right? I just tell it like it is, guys. I just tell it like it is. What else do we have? XCN, guys. Now, check out my video earlier today. I did a breakdown of the new XCN ledger, if you want to check that out. Crypto Hound Pound says, XCN, am I seeing this? Are we on the verge of a Binance listing with XCN Onyx? Check it out, guys. Am I seeing this correctly? What do we have right down here? Oh, we have what's this? BSC scan. That is the Binance chain. How do we have a Binance chain for Onyx coin? How do we have this down here? We know we have it on base in Ethereum. We already knew that. But what's this? Why is Binance here all of a sudden? What? Or Binance? Why is Bitcoin's network here all of a sudden? Very interesting. Very interesting. I think this is the worst kept secret in crypto, guys. Honestly, I think it's the worst kept secret in crypto. Binance listing is right around the corner. It's going to blow your mind. Chain will begin integration of the Onyx DAO XCN ledger into all of our commercial products. This will be a phased approach that will combine and migrate off-chain and on-chain products into the XCN-L3. There you go. We were talking on the Patreon live stream earlier tonight, guys, about the utility of XCN inside of the XCN ledger and what this means going forward. Very, very informative stuff, guys. Bullish stuff. You're going to want to pay attention. And finally, Swift. What do we have? Swift introducing AI news on Swift GPT. Now, I've checked this out a couple times with you guys. Get real-time updates on crypto news, AI news, KOL insights, and weekly hot topics all in one place. I've told you guys about this multiple times. We've checked it out, guys. The AI, and now they have DeepSeek being integrated into their Swift GPT. For me, guys, there's a lot of controversy, but I am bullish on it because I'm here to make money, not to stand on a moral high ground, right? And so are you for the most part. So that's what we're here for, guys. Listen, I dropped another gem over on the Patreon last night, guys. You do not want to miss out on this one. Massive utility, fantastic tokenomics, unbelievably low market cap, guys. VC backed, a phenomenal project. You're going to want to get in on it. Again, I keep dropping these things, man. Like over on the Patreon, we dropped XCN, we dropped Swift, we dropped so much stuff over there, guys. We're working on 3 others right now, filling up our bags, guys. You're going to find out what they are. If you're not over on the Patreon, you're going to find out what they are after they've pumped 2,000%. And then you're going to be sitting there going, is it a good time to buy it, Rob? No, it's not. It's a good time to buy it now by getting over to the Patreon and getting involved in these gems before they take off, guys. That's where the real life-changing wealth is, guys. We have changed so many lives over there just in the last month. Okay, we've had over 25 people announce over on the Patreon that they have officially hit 7-figure portfolios because of the help that we have provided in the gems that we have pointed out. Okay, and many, many others have hit the high 6 figures, guys. If you want to make a difference in your portfolio, come and learn from the best in the business, guys. Our hit rate is fantastic. Check it out. Check these gems out. We're live on the Patreon as well every single evening. So get in there, get the help that you need on top of everything else. And on top of all of that, you also get to book one-on-one coaching AMAs with this guy right here. So click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.